Today we want to talk about a small budget bathroom upgrade. What do you think we should do?
Well, probably small budget, under $1,000. We want to paint the bathroom, give it a nice fresh look, replace the mirror if the mirror's dated, put in a new light, kind of update it a little bit. That would be on the small end.
Okay, but we haven't talked about the elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room is definitely the vanity. An old vanity just doesn't show well at all, and it's not that expensive to tear out the vanity, put in a new one. A new vanity might be $300 or $400, new countertop on top, $100, $150, a new faucet, $80, all well under $1,000. And when you walk in, it's voila, as opposed to, oh my God.
Absolutely. I think that's a great mid-range budget to be able to update a bathroom.
And then the next step is a mid-grade renovation. Not a full grade, but a mid-grade.